Hello everyone, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and I'm VP CRM and Data Analysis with BISP Solutions. In this video, I'm going to cover a very interesting topic which would be very useful if you are working on Wave analytics, if you are building dashboard using Wave. So I have got this requirement from my client, and therefore I decided to share the same functionality, the same solution with all of you so that you can also implement in your business solutions. So the requirement is that we would have a Wave dashboard, and we would like to embed that Wave dashboard within whether it's a custom object or on a standard object, along with filters. So we would like to apply filters on that Wave dashboard. So let me explain the business requirement properly. My business requirement is, first of all, we need to create a Wave dashboard with some measures and groups, and we would be going to embed that Wave dashboard on account object, and then I would be going to apply the automated filter based on account type selected in records. So let me explain you the requirement once again properly. For example, we have got account object, and in this account object we have got couple of records. We have couple of records in account. So I want to have a Wave dashboard to be embedded here within a section, within a new section, and that dashboard will be filtered automatically based on the type selected or entered within this record. So if the type is customer, that dashboard should be filtered as type. If the type is partner or prospects or partners, so it would be filtered according to that. So the dashboard should get filtered based on the type selected by the user. So this functionality we would like to demonstrate. I would like to demonstrate to all of you. So let's solve this problem. So I have already prepared a dashboard in Wave using Wave, and this dashboard will be displaying, it would be grouped by industry, and it on y-axis we have sum of annual revenue. So that's the measure. So our measure is sum of annual revenue, and the group is industry. And one more filter I have applied here. So this list the types. So we have only two types right now, customer and partner. So as you can see, if I select customer, I can apply a filter, and when I select customer, the total revenue, the total annual revenue with every industry will get updated. For example, for agriculture, it is 6.3 billion, and when I select customer, it turned to 4.2238. Same manner, if I select partner, it gets updated to 2.111. So, and if we clear all the filters, it will get back to its original position. So first of all, we will be going to embed this dashboard on an account object, and then we'll see how to apply filter on top of it. So for this, I'll switch to account and select edit layout. You need to keep one thing in mind, that because we are going to embed this dashboard on an object, within an object, whether it's a custom object or a standard object, this dashboard should be stored in under shared folder. It should not be within private app. It should be under shared app, because if any file, any dashboard or lens or data set resides within private app, it won't be able to access out of this app. So that's the dashboard we are talking about. I click on account. Then first of all, I switch to, from here this list, I select Wave Analytics Asset, and you see account dashboard is appearing. So first I drag and drop a section just next to annual revenue. I'll give this name as inline dashboard, and it would be a one column section, and in this section I drag and drop this account dashboard. So the dashboard is in line now. Let's go and check it how it looks like. So I just save it, and when I scroll down we can see the dashboard will appear with initial filters. If there are any initial filters we have applied, so there are no initial filters, but we can apply filter here, customer, and so this is inline filter. My requirement is, now my next requirement is, because the type is set as customer, so this dashboard should be automatically filtered as a customer. So for this we need to customize the dashboard and need to write a JSON for it. So let's have a look how can we do that. I'll get to edit layout, property page. I select the dashboard, open dashboard properties page, and in field mapping this will help us to apply filter. So let me increase the size if you are able to see. And in this field mapping, first of all I specify the dataset name, and then I mentioned here the field which we want to filter. So I want to filter type, and it should be based on the value selected by the user in so dollar type, and click on OK. So let's get back to original and save it. So you see, when we switch to that record or any record, based on the type, the dashboard will be filtered, and here the type is customer, so by default it has been filtered based on customer. So if I change this to partner, so you see by default it has been selected as set as partner. So that's the way we can apply filter based on the value selected here. If I'll get back to customer again and save it. So to verify more, I can get back to list all the accounts, and we have the types, partner, customer, and so on. And based on it, we can select the record. We can display the dashboard. Now, my next requirement is, at the same time, I want to embed this dashboard on a Visual Force page. So in order to do that, first of all, your development mode should be enabled. So I'm using URL method for building a Visual Force page. So I'll give name as VF page 1. So in this case, as you can see, I'm getting an error message. I'm not able to create this page because the development mode is not enabled. So make sure, if you are using this method to creating a Visual Force page, the development mode should be enabled. So I click on advanced user details within settings, and I enable development mode. Enable development mode and save it. Now let's get back and try to create a VF page again. So this time I'm able to create a VF page. So I click on VF page, and the tag would be Wave Dashboard. So there is an inbuilt tag within Visual Force page which can be added on a Visual Force page named as Wave Dashboard, and would be requiring the dashboard ID. So I'll just remove this, and I write here Wave Dashboard, and the attributes we have is dashboard ID. So it will be requiring dashboard ID. Now to get dashboard ID, I click on dashboard, I open this dashboard, and that's the dashboard ID. So I copy this ID and paste it here. That's the ID, and save it. So that's the simplest way to add a dashboard on a Wave dashboard on a VF page. It may take time to render because it would be getting the data from a Wave, and you can see all the filters which we have initialized on a Wave dashboard. It will come along with all the filters, and the filters will work here as well. So now we can have multiple dashboards. We can have dashboards with multiple lenses in a single line, in multiple line. So we can display the dashboard on a VF page. So I hope you are able to understand how can we embed a Wave dashboard on an object, and how can we apply a filter onto it, and at the same time how to embed the Wave dashboard on a VF page. Now with BISP you can contact us for customized training on Wave Analytic Cloud, as well as for consulting services on Wave. In BISP, our consultant can help you design your business intelligence infrastructure, configure sales wave analytics, and create reports and dashboards, which will enable the stakeholders from all departments to make the data-driven decisions across your entire company. BISP Consulting Service is a comprehensive collection of offerings developed over time from our extensive experience working with hundreds of clients. So get started faster with help setting up your infrastructure and building and implementing your Wave dashboard and lenses. So you can contact us on the following addresses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.